Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just leaving New York and I'm on my way to Tybee Island, Georgia. So this was us taking off. Now here's the Airbnb room tour. We had 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The first room I just showed you was my room, my sister's room. Was my parents and my brother's room. And then here is the bathroom. This bathroom was attached to this bedroom. It also had closets as well. This bathroom had a tub, and this is the sink and everything like that. They did provide towels. I never really use their towels. The only thing I use towels for is to put them on the floor, just to keep the floor not wet. But other than that, that's that. So this was my sister and I's bathroom. It was a mirrored bathroom, pretty much. It was clear, so you could see through mirror. And that was that bathroom. We did have a washer and dryer, which was nice. If we need to. This was the light switch. They had like board games and puzzles, but we didn't end up using any of them. But that was a nice touch if you were like with the family. They had a lot of these signs, so that says beach that way. The beach is actually that way, so that's kind of funny, but it's actually true. This was the microwave. Here's by the seashore, another thing. The sink. There was also a dishwasher. I didn't show you guys. My bad. This was the living room area. That had like 2 spinny chairs, and then the couch, and then it had another TV. All 3 bedrooms had the 2 bedrooms had a TV, and the living room had a TV. So I don't know why I'm showing you guys the sink again. I think I was showing you a closer look. This is the fridge. It also had a toaster as well, and had pots and pans. So everything you pretty much would need, like you have in your house, you had here. I forgot to show you guys this. So like the day before we were leaving, I showed it to you, but really quickly, they had a swing outside you could sit on, and like 2 chairs and a couch. You could sit outside if you wanted to. I did get to do it like one day, but I totally forgot to film for you guys. But this was the day we came in. Same day I was recording the room tour, so I decided to kind of just unpack certain things and settle in since we were going to be here for a few days. So just getting out like my toiletries, pretty much. That's normally what I do, just so that I have them out. So like my face wash, my body wash, toothbrush, those miscellaneous things that I would need when I was ready to shower. Because we got in, I think, I want to say 6 p.m. So just enjoy me detaching. As I told you guys, I put tape over everything so that when it's in the suitcase, nothing leaks. And this is always a great method, in my opinion. Or you could do bubble wrap. Next time though around, I'm gonna do bubble wrap. I don't know why I didn't think about it. I had one product in bubble wrap, but it wasn't too small. I think bubble wrap I highly recommend. I think would be the faster way though. Instead of taping everything, you just get like a big thing of bubble wrap and then just tape the sides around and you're good to go. So my next vacation, because I do have another one coming up, when this drops, it will be the next month because tomorrow is June. So that's what I think I'm gonna do with all my toiletries. I'm just gonna put them in bubble wrap. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I was just trying to figure out where to put it. So they had like a side here. Now this, I think, I want to say this was on Monday. I didn't really vlog anything on Sunday. I think whatever I vlogged was something really short. It was very cold. We did eat out twice for like lunch, but I didn't really show you guys. I feel like this trip was kind of like a chill trip where I kind of just didn't record everything. I just wanted to chill and I didn't have to record. And also Sunday was pretty much cold, so we didn't really go to the beach. We just walked around, saw what was around the area, because that was like our first full day in Georgia. Like I said, I went to Tybee Island specifically, but I flew out from Spain. I did read a little bit, but then I don't know, I cut it off. So now this is me getting ready for the beach. So I was just putting away like stuff like a beach towel, which I never ended up using because I didn't get that wet, surprisingly. But also because it wasn't fully warm. Now I'm just helping toast some bread because we were having like, this was the first day we had like a full breakfast for the day. So we did buy a few things from the supermarket the day before, the Sunday. Me and my mom like took a walk and got some stuff. So I'm doing the bread. And I'll show you guys in a second, like what the meal. So this is the whole thing, whole spread. We had eggs, we had turkey sausage, we had cucumbers, we had pancakes, we had bread, and we had bananas. I didn't eat all that. I just chose, I think, 3 things. It was too much to eat. So now I am going to make coffee. So I was kind of happy we had this brand, because this is the brand we normally drink here. So we got the small ones. I found the small ones. So it semi tasted like the coffee normally drink, but it wasn't the same. But I feel like that oftentimes that happens when I travel. Like the coffee's never how I make it at home, obviously, because not everything that you get, that you would buy in your state, you'll find it in another state, or vice versa, or certain sugars, extra, and nobody buys full size things, because again, it's just for your trip. You're not, if you don't live in there, you know what I'm saying? So, but at least it's tasted close enough to what I would normally drink at home. So this was just milk, so I just used this regular milk. I think we got this from like a convenience mart, because there's a regular supermarket, and then there's a convenience mart, and the convenience mart was closer to us. So if you wanted to grab like small things, not a lot of things were there. But this is now, I'm making, I think, my sister coffee as well. I feel like, of course, with creamer, it would have just set the bar high, but I didn't have my creamer. It's okay. We do what we do. Again, this is vacation, so it didn't have to be something. I just did sugar, milk, and the coffee, and it was decent enough. And of course, the hot water. I didn't show you guys that, but I did. That's why it's steaming, because I put the hot water. I just added 1 sugar to it, and then just mixed it up. All right, now this is just me getting ready to go to the beach. So I'm just doing my facial wash, and then I use my body cloths, which I'll show you guys next. Just to clean, just to like have some cleanliness under my armpits and stuff like that. And then yeah, so that's what I'm going ahead, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put like my moisturizer and stuff like that. And just so to note other stuff, just in case, so while I'm doing my serum, I'll leave everything down below, but I did my facial serum, and then my regular moisturizer, and I did my sunscreen. But I did end up still getting a tan in my face, just a little bit, but I feel like my arms is where I got most of the tan. But anyway, just to note something else about this Airbnb, if anybody's interested, the only thing I would say that I would give a thumbs down to is the shower. I wish the shower had some type of thing where you could hold products, because everything I had to do like outside the shower. So I had to like put my, for example, my face wash, which is not a problem because I normally do my face wash outside the shower and rinse, but it was where it came to my like using my body soap or body wash, I had to put it on my washcloth. So let's say I just kind of put a lot so that I had enough, because if not, I would have to literally come out the shower and reapply pretty much the body wash. So that's the only thing I think they could change, is adding like some type of holder. Like I have some in my bathroom where you have like you stick it to the wall so you can put some things so it's easily accessible. Also, to the water temperature was funny, like you had to play around with it to get it to warm hot water, which was kind of annoying. But anyway, this is my bathing suit. It's from Temu. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. Now I am actually gonna put this dress. It's not really a cover-up dress, but it just worked out that it was a cover-up dress for me. That's how I used it. I also got this from Temu just because it's see-through, so I thought it was gonna be perfect for as a cover-up dress and not a regular dress to wear, in my opinion. And sorry, the mirror is dirty, but that's how they left it. It was already dirty, so what can we do about it? And I think we're about to come towards the end. Like I said, I didn't film as much of this trip. Next trip, I will definitely probably film more. But yeah, that's all I really had. So I think I'm just going to end this with me just just laying down in the bed, because that was towards the end. And I was just ready to sleep because we woke up at like 5 a.m. to go back to New York. But lastly, we're just doing some laundry. So this was the sweater I bought. I did get a sweater. I actually ended up getting a sweater, a sweatpants, and a top because I don't know, like I looked at the weather, but in my mind I didn't prepare well, so I only had one pair of sweatpants that I wore already, so I ended up having to wash. But the great thing is they gave us like a little detergent, so we just did a big thing of washing and before we left. So this is Monday night, just me relaxing but getting ready to also sleep because we had the early flight, like I said. But thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you really want a full vlog when I go to my week trip. This was a 3-day trip, so I didn't really have much to do. Like I said, I was really chill. I just wanted to be in the moment. I didn't vlog too much. Thanks for watching. Bye.